We're here today on another episode of Figure Out Why Education is Going Straight Down the Drain. It's so bloody terrible in America. That's why we've come here overseas. Yes, we're over the seas. And we're here in a random classroom with Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas is going to teach us today. And what are you going to teach us today?
We're going to teach you about direction fields. So a direction field is a picture of the general solution to a first-order differential equation with the form of this: dy dx equals f of x comma y. So that's kind of a mathy way of putting it, but why don't we actually do a problem? So what we're going to do is we're going to match a differential equation with its direction field, one of those four. And then we'll give reasons why that direction field matches our differential equation. So our differential equation we'll be doing is y prime equals x plus y minus 1. And essentially what we have to do is we have to put in x and y values to find the slope at a given point, because those two lines on there represent the slope at any point on there. So we're just going to try a simple one. We're going to try putting in the origin, so 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 minus 1 into our original equation, by the way. And 0 plus 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So that means we expect to see a slope of negative 1, so a line going down like that, at the origin. So here's our origin on our first graph. And we can just see that's a horizontal line, so our slope's 0. So that's not our graph. If we look at our second one, it's a horizontal line again, not our graph. If we go to the third one, we also have a positive slope of 1. So that can't be our graph as well. So if we look at the last one at the origin, we have a downward slope of negative 1 at our origin. Since none of the others have a slope of negative 1 at their origin, this has to be our graph. And if you ended up with multiple graphs meeting that first criteria, you can just try again. So you can try another point. So we'll try the point 1 comma 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1 equals 2 minus 1 equals 1. That means at the point 1 comma 1, we should have a slope of 1, so going up. And if we look right here at 1 comma 1, we have an upward slope. So this must be our direction field for y prime equals x plus y minus 1. And before I forget, why don't we take attendance? Colt? Oh, there he is. D. Camilla?
Here.
Okay, looks like everybody's here.
And there you have it. I don't think I have to say it, because it's quite obvious that American education is a joke.